Water! Miley, water, water, water!
My name is Abby and I am an EMT for a super duper busy 911 service in South Carolina. I've been an EMT for about a year now. I've worked for private service and now 911.
En route to a disturbance call, we have a female in her 40s wearing a gray tank top and a white and black checkered pants. She's currently trespassing in the building.
I get to live here and breathe here and grow here and be a mom here.
It was almost like you were like the security blanket of like, I'm not gonna do this by myself, right? You're gonna be here, you know, and she was like, absolutely, and wheeled on all fours down the hall